Hey, this is Felipe from elvex. One of the biggest risks with AI is hallucinations and where you can trust the information it gives you. At elvex, we solve that by implementing a new feature called sources and citations. This gives you visibility into where AI is sourcing information. It works with web and internal data sources. Let's check it out. Now, let's imagine that we're working on a user retention assistant and we want to search the web for the standard on user retention for B2B software. Once the search is completed, we get information about the different sites that the model used to get that information from. And also on the final response, we get this beautiful format, citations, next to the claim that the model is making. So for example, here is making a claim about 39% of user retention, and then it's gonna give us a link to that, and we can see the chunk of information that it used to give us that information. This is very useful to factually claim and see what the model is using to give us that response. And now with this information, we wanna do a comparison between our internal data source information and see what it looks like. Now let's imagine that our product team gathers information about user retention data, and they store that data in a Google spreadsheet. We are connected to that data source as an internal source of information. Now we're gonna ask our assistant to create a graph with that information and also the user retention average that we just searched online. What the assistant is going to do is that it's going to perform some SQL query operations. It should give us a graph with the information that we just asked. We have here 3 different cohorts and also aligning the 39% as the average of user retention. It's also going to give us information about the file that it used to get that information from. This is a fake spreadsheet of information. And now we just made this information available to the users by using elvex. This is all for citations, and see you on the next one.